Eskom was good. Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you are new to my channel, hello. My name is Oyama if you don't know who I am. Today's video is a Xhosa 101. If you don't know what those are, it's just me teaching you some things about my language. The first video should have just been this video, but we are here. Not teaching you things that you'd have to learn for paper 2 with Xhosa. No. So yeah, let's start with the most basic thing. When you hear Xhosa people greet one another, you will never hear them greet one another in the same way. Number one, when Xhosa people greet, normally we say, if we're speaking to one person, we will say molo. And if you're speaking to one person and that person is like a senior, someone who's in like their 40s and up, then you won't just say molo because you need to show respect. So you'll say molo mama, molo tata if it's a man, molo makulu if it's an old lady, molo tatumkulu if it's an old man. And yeah, like if you want to be respectful to people who are like young adults but like in the 30s and up, you'll say molo sisi or molo buti if it's a guy. And yeah, it shows respect. That's how we were raised. That's how we were taught how to speak. I don't know about abanye bantu, but I was taught that way. Dina 25. Guys, my mom still, if I send her a message and I'm like, oh, okay, sure. My mom will send me a message saying, okay, nja. Then obviously that means I should have said, okay, mama. So you can just imagine. Just imagine. Xhosa moms, drama. In fact, black moms, net drama. Always. So yeah, you can never just not mega easy. Sis mamba, I think sis mamba. You can never speak to an adult and then just so yeah. If there's more than one person, then like you will definitely say molweni. That's how you greet, and they will reply to you ewe. That's how we will definitely respond to you. Molweni mama, ewe mtanam, ewe sisi, ewe buti, ewe sanalam. Sanalam is my baby, so okay. But don't be shocked if you don't. If people, when they greet you, they don't say molweni or molo. Sometimes they say butani mawetu. I don't know what that means. Don't ask me. I know it says hello. Then you will have some people who will say ndibulisile. That means I have greeted, or greetings. And then you will have people who will say sibulisile. Now when you ask how are you, you will say unjani if you're speaking to one person. If you're speaking to more than one person, you'll say ninjani. And yeah. Then if that person or those people reply back, they'll say ndipilile. Ndipilile unjani wena. Ne? That's for. Then for a group of people, they will say sipilile unjani wena. And I haven't used any clicks, guys. Have you realized, but I haven't used any clicky words. But that's gonna be a nice video teaching you guys Xhosa clicks. It's gonna be such a nice video. When we say goodbye, guys, goodbye is so easy. If you want to be fancy, you take Xhosa ka, then you'll definitely go nihlale kahle. I don't know any other goodbyes in Xhosa, guys. Uhlale kahle, I think it's basically saying wishing people well as you leave them behind. So stay safe, stay well. Yeah, that's basically what it says. And then you exit. So we definitely do not use full sentences to say no. City bye. But trust me, Xhosa people will not say bye. But bye. Not bye. No, my baby. It's bye. Love my people. That's just the basics of Xhosa, guys, when you're greeting people, when you're because guys, you don't walk into a room of Xhosa people, of adults, why did I say that word? But like, I'm not talking about the Eastern Cape. I'm talking about in a place where there's lots of Xhosa people. When you walk into a room or a place, You don't just walk in, because that's just disrespectful. My mom will look at you like, whose house you in? It's hard though to do that in public places, but you still greet. I greet guys. Like I'll walk into Home Affairs, and if I walk up to a line like, hello molweni, if they choose not to reply, then okay, it's cool. We weren't raised in the same household, so but definitely if I'm passing by umdomdala, even in the street, I'll say molo mama, molo tata. They hardly ever respond, but yeah, it's hard not to. If you guys enjoyed my video, please hit the thumbs up. Yeah, that. Hit the thumbs up and tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you're not part of my family yet, please click that red subscribe. Then when that bell pops up, please click on that to get notifications whenever I post. I normally post on Tuesdays. I'll just post Tuesday or Friday, because those are the days I'm comfortable with. Please enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of this month. And don't forget, on the 26th of March, I'm turning 25. But we say I'm 19 to everyone else. Like I'm born on 25 onje. Like I born 25-year-old guys, now I look 19. And same guys, let t-shirt him so wow. Woo! Guys, have you seen me in this t-shirt? Yeah, guys. Oh, this is Lumga. Yeah, Ndombi. Hi. Your work is beautiful, love. Bye, Molly. I know you're watching.
Ndinithanda nonke emakhaya.